Yes, Hans Glock. Did you ever eat a cat, brother? No, I don't want to eat a cat. Yeah. Ato. Just the snake before when I was young, when I was 8 years old in the Philippines, and someone's in my neighborhood, they catch the snake, the big one. It's like a python, and I was 7 or 8 years old, and they will cook it, and they will say it to me. Okay, yeah, this one is a chicken, because I I didn't know, because it's because of the texture, and they cut into small pieces. So I thought it was a chicken, but not a chicken. But tastes like chicken, guys. Yeah. And after we finished to eat, they told me, this is. What? But